Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hope you are all fine, boys. I'll show you today one problem in trigonometry, and which will easy to understand. I'll just make one presentation, and you can easily understand. Let me just open my presentation so that you can understand. Okay, this is my first slide. Let me just play this one so that one after the other you can get the clips. Okay, I have already loaded 2 or 3 programs in on application of trigonometry, so this is the third one, and you can just try it and try to learn the formulas. Everything is based on formulas in trigonometry. I'll load the first one program, and that is also very helpful, how to remember, how to memorize all the trigonometry formula. So let me proceed with my presentation so that you can understand. Now, what is the problem here? The problem is here what is meant by angle of inclination and angle of depression. I think most of you know that, but anyway, those who are new for them, I'm just added few lines. You can understand that one. See, here is the boy is just watching here the top of this house, and what will happen here, the angle of inclination is formed, and this is called the line of sight, and this is horizontal line. Similarly, here the down, you can see this picture also, you can watch even down also, right? So this is called the angle of depression. So the upward angle of from the horizontal to a line of sight from the observer to some point of interest, that is called angle of inclination. And I'll just this one, in the second clip, you can see a guy standing over on this building, and he's just watching down. Here is a football, and then what happened, the angle will form here, right? That is called the angle of depression. The angle made by descending line or a plane with a horizontal is called angle of declination. Okay, we'll just proceed to, there is a problem here. What is that question is, suppose the question is given to you here, a boy observe the top of an electric pole at an angle of elevation 60, and when he observes the observation point will be 8 meters away from the foot of the pole, and find the height of a tower. You need to find the height of a tower, and this is the distance from the boy is standing over here and just watching this top. So what happened here, the angle will form, and it is given that 60 degree, right? So all of you know that tan 60 is root 3. So what will happen, we'll just take suppose this is h, and when the angle form, this tan theta is opposite by adjacent, right? So in that case, what will happen, what we have here, AB is the variable, right? A here, B here, and O here, right? So AB opposite by adjacent. So now, and this angle is formed as tan 60. So in that case, we replace this tan 60 is root 3, and ABB doesn't know, right? So AB is h, and OB is given 8 meters. So when you substitute this and just cross multiply, you get this, or just you transpose this to here. So h is nothing but, height is nothing but 8 root 3. Hence the height of a pole is 8 root 3 meters. Let me proceed to the second problem, that is somewhat complicated. I'll just try to explain, and you just concentrate and try to understand this. Okay, what is this? The angle of elevation from the top of a lighthouse from 3 boats A, B, and C. Let us assume that these three A, B, C are the 3 boats in a straight line, and the same side of the lighthouse, and the angles formed here is A, 2A, and 3A respectively. If the distance between the A and B boat and B and C boat are X and Y, what is required here is to find the height of a lighthouse. And I hope everyone knows what is lighthouse and all. Okay, here what will happen, the angle form here is 90 degree, and rest you is only this ratios are given, and you need to find out and replace the formula, and you can get it done. So here what happened here is, the first thing what I'm going to find out the value for our angle is already given here 2a. So now tan theta is opposite by adjacent, so which is here pq by you have qb, right? So just substitute this one and you get the first equation. And now in the second angle here pqc, which is here tan 3, just similarly you substitute this one pq by qc. But here the for first one what is required is here, so you need to add this all these three sides. Okay, so qc plus qb, bc plus ab, that's what you need to do in this equation. Okay, so we may write this one, bc is nothing but, see, from here to here bc is nothing but you need to just subtract this one from this. Okay, from here to here, and then you subtract this, you get this one. So qb, that's why you have qb minus qc, qb minus qc. If you subtract this you get this one. Okay, so now substituting first and two equation, what will happen, you get h by tan 2a plus x h tan a. So what will happen as you proceed, you take out the common here, and then in that case the final result you get height of this lighthouse is how much, you know, that x dot tan a dot tan 2a by tan 2a minus tan a. I hope guys you understand. I want to show that how we can compute it, the equation here. That's what you need to understand, that how here the equations are there, right? And h by 2a, h by tan 3a, and h by tan. But here guys, qb, what is required here, qb, you need to replace here. And in that case here before also, see, this qc and qc got cancel and h by 2, and after this equation you can just take LCM and cross multiply, finally you get this answer. Hope that much you can do it, dear students. So easy, it's not that complicated, you can understand. Further, if you have any doubt you can contact me. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you all in my next presentation. My channel name is MOHAMMED ABDUL. You can just check it out on YouTube. Thank you and have a nice time and good day.